Hello, in this video I will guide you how to make multicolor text in CapCut PC. First you need to click on the text and then click on the default text. Click the plus icon and here the text has been placed on the timeline. Type the desired text, make it bold. If you want to change the any font of your choice, and here there is a color option available. Just click on that and select the color of your choice, and here you can see that the color has been applied over. Now if you want to change the color of only T, then highlight it, select it, and then change the color of your choice. For example, if you want to change the color of multi, then select it and change the color from the colored palettes. And if you know the color code, you can also use here to apply the color. So this is pretty simple. Another way is that, let me delete that. Go to the text, then click on the text effect, and here you will see that there is a multicolor option is already available. You can use pro features and simply a free feature. So I'm using this one. Click the plus icon and here you can see that, type the desired text and here boom, it is very simple and very easy. You can make it bigger or make it small, whatever your choice is, and this is simple, so simple and easy. So I hope this process understand you how you can make multicolor text in CapCut PC. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.